Hey there, I'm Jenny and this is Casey and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. This video is part of our Holiday Hacks video series where we're sharing tips and tricks to make the holidays more manageable.
Yes, and today our trick is making simple gifts because we think that the best gifts that you can give are gifts that you can eat, so we just have a few simple gift ideas.
Yes, and the first gift idea is the gift of mulled wine. So mulled wine is a really holiday drink, and this is so easy and it makes your home smell delicious. So we just have the mulling spices in a small mason jar that we've decorated with a little bit of twine, and we're putting that in a cute little basket with the rest of the ingredients that you would need to make the mulled wine, like your wine.
Of course.
And then the honey. So this is a really adorable but still delicious gift.
Yes, I would love to receive that. So take note. No. Our next gift idea is our slow cooker cinnamon candied pecans. These are so delicious. We make them all the time here, honestly. But we've just put them in a mason jar and decorated with a little ribbon for another simple gift idea. The cool thing about these too is it makes a lot. So when you make them, obviously you'll have some for your gift, but you can also have extra to serve at a holiday party or just eat by yourself.
Which is what I would do.
Yes, agreed. Share your holiday hacks on social media using #HolidayHack. Find more videos from this Holiday Hacks video series at our YouTube channel, and find these recipes and way more at festfoods.com/seasons.
Happy holidays.